Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the brand new Honor 600 series, the Honor 600 and the more powerful Honor 600 Pro. This year, Honor is bringing flagship level upgrades to the more accessible category, including a huge 7000 mAh battery, strong cameras, and one of the coolest features, Image to Video 2.0. So in this video, let's just see if both of these phones are worth buying. Starting with the design, both phones look sleek, premium, and modern. The Honor 600 Pro is just 7.8mm thin, despite the massive battery, while the standard Honor 600 is lighter at 190 grams. Both uses flat AMOLED display, which is honestly better for daily use, such as easier for gaming and a better grip, yet less accidental touches. The Pro model also comes in stylish color options like orange, golden white, and black. Both phones features a 6.75-inch AMOLED straight screen, 120Hz refresh rate, and a 1.5K resolution. That means smooth scrolling, sharp visuals, and vibrant colors for Netflix, TikTok, or gaming. The peak brightness can go up to 8000 nits, making outdoor visibility excellent. You also get eye comfort features like PWM dimming and AI brightness adjustment. Now, let's talk about performance. The Honor 600 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, while the Honor 600 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. That means the 600 Pro gives you faster gaming performance, better multitasking, smoother heavy apps, and more future-proof power. If you play games like PUBG Mobile, COD Mobile, or Genshin Impact, the Honor 600 Pro is definitely the better choice. But for normal users, the standard Honor 600 is already fast enough. If you want to know the details in performance, here are the benchmark scores. Now comes the camera performance, one of the biggest highlights. Both phones features 200MP super sensing main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide plus macro lens, and a 50MP selfie camera. Photos are sharp, vibrant, and detailed. The Honor 600 Pro adds a 50MP telephoto camera with up to 120x zoom, which is great for portraits, travel shots, and long-distance photography. You also get features like AI Enhanced Night Mode, AI Super Zoom 2.0, and Magic Color filters. If you love mobile photography, the Pro is clearly stronger. Now this is one of the coolest new features, AI Image to Video 2.0. Honor has introduced this feature before, but now it's much better. You now can use up to 3 photos to create one animated story video. It now supports custom prompt support, so you can type whatever you like, such as turn this into a travel memory or make this cinematic. You'll get ready-made templates like Embrace, Lifestyle, Travel, Dancing, and Pet Roleplay. This is great for TikTok creators, Instagram Reels, or making old photos feel alive again. Now both phones come with a huge 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery. That means you get full day of heavy use easily and up to 2 days of normal usage. It is great for gaming and great for travel users as well. Charging is also fast with the 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging on the 600 Pro only. Overall, this is a very impressive battery setup. Now let's get into our verdict and conclusion in this review. Buy Honor 600 if you want better value, great battery life, good performance, and strong camera setup. Wow, the Honor 600 Pro if you want flagship chipset power, better zoom camera, wireless charging, and better gaming. Honestly, in my personal opinion, the Honor 600 is the smart buy, while the Honor 600 Pro is the fun power user's choice. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to us, and I'll see you in the next one.